What is the story behind Riverdance? What is the story behind Riverdance? This captivating performance has become a symbol of Irish culture and dance, but its origins are quite interesting. Riverdance first appeared as a short act during the 1990 for Eurovision Song Contest in Ireland. The performance featured the talented Irish dancing champions Jean Butler and Michael Flatley, along with the vocal group Anuna. It was set to a stunning score composed by Bill Whelan. The audience was so impressed that the act quickly gained worldwide attention. The roots of Riverdance go back even further. It evolved from a piece called Timedance, which was created for the 1981 Eurovision Song Contest. This earlier work combined traditional Irish music with rock and classical elements. It was performed with ballet dancers, showcasing a blend of styles that laid the groundwork for what Riverdance would become. After the success of the Eurovision performance, producers John McColgan and Maya Doherty decided to expand Riverdance into a full stage show. This new version premiered in Dublin in February 1995. The show features fast-paced Irish step dancing, where dancers display rapid leg and foot movements while keeping their upper bodies still. The music is a mix of traditional Irish instruments like fiddles and drums, creating an unforgettable atmosphere. Riverdance is not just about dance. It celebrates the rich cultural heritage of Ireland. It has sparked a renewed interest in Irish dance and music around the globe. Many people have been inspired to learn more about Irish culture after seeing the show. Since its debut, Riverdance has toured extensively, making it a significant part of Ireland's cultural identity. For travelers in Ireland, experiencing Riverdance or other Irish dance performances offers a unique connection to the country's history and traditions. Irish dance has ancient origins, linked to the Celtic and Gaelic peoples. Historically, it was performed at festivals and religious celebrations. Today, Riverdance represents a modern evolution of this tradition, blending historical roots with contemporary artistry. It creates a vibrant and engaging experience that truly showcases the spirit of Ireland.